How to use Blue Willow AI. Hi there, today we'll learn about using Blue Willow AI, where this is actually allows you to generate amazing images using AI. So first thing, you can go to the website bluewillow.ai and you will be routed into this page. First thing that you need to be reminded is that you need to create your own Discord account before you will be able to make use of this platform. So for you to stay connected, you can go ahead and sign up with your first and last name and your email address. Once you have filled out these information, you just click on sign up and wait until it will be fully loaded. And then from here, you can go ahead and log in into your Discord account. You can use either the application on your computer, or you can definitely use the Discord through your browser. So you can just click on Discord and then log in with your account. Here you can enter your username, or you can just go ahead and click on login on the upper right corner. And once you are fully logged in, you can go back to Blue Willow and click on join for free beta, and you will be routed into this page. You just need to accept the invite, and it will automatically route you to their server on Discord. So you'll need to select your language that you prefer and then click on next. You can also input there any information that you want to notified with Blue Willow. Once completed here, what you need to do is that they will actually provide you instructions on how you will be able to make use of this platform. So what you need to do is actually click on /image and then click /image, and then there is an input there where prompt, and then the box where the prompt word is, that's where you will be writing the word or the image that you want to be generated by the AI. So for example, /imagine prompt, and then you type in the word that you want the AI to generate for you. Then you just need to wait for a few minutes, and then they will actually be notifying you, or they will be tagging you once the image is available. So you can actually, under the left side panel there on the rookies, you can actually choose what channel you want to type in these messages. So as you can see here, there is the free diving art that I requested earlier for the AI to generate for me. So there's an option here, so you to click on upgrade or variant of 3 or 2. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.